Yeah, ready. Hi guys, a very warm welcome to all of you. I hope everybody is doing good. So are you all excited for this session, guys? Give me a thumbs up quickly in your chat right now. Thank you, Achyut. That means a lot, man. Hi, Sukda Baruna. Welcome. Hello, all my ninjas. Everybody is here. Hi, Deepika. Hi, Shrivani. Hi, Sukda. Srinidhi, welcome. Catalysis fan club. That is awesome. Welcome. Yes, Achyut. No problem, man. Sukadev Sendil, welcome. So guys, today we are starting with a very important topic. As you all are aware, today's discussion is on application of derivatives. And I would say it is one of the most important topics. And it is going to help you with a lot of good marks in your exam. And easy to score ones. AOD is very conceptual topic. I would rate it one of the best topics in calculus, because till now you have been learning differentiation, you have been learning derivatives. Now you will be applying what you learned. You will get to visualize and understand the power of what you learned so far. Isn't that amazing? World at AVJ. So we will be doing this chapter in 2 sessions. Today's session will be covering the concepts and a little bit of questions, and tomorrow's session, that is the next session on Monday, will be a problem solving one. Because guys, as you all are aware, the 12th standard topics, I'm doing something called a sprint. I'm quickly covering these topics so that everybody is aware of it and everybody follows it in an easier way. Got it? So shall we get started? Exactly, Jumana. So guys, let me know, are you all ready? Limits is in 11th standard, Sukhdev. Limits is a 11th standard topic, and it is important for your calculus because your continuity is based on limits. So whenever you come to your 12th standard, before they teach you continuity, your teacher will revise limits because continuity is entirely dependent on limits. Clear? Everybody cool? Brilliant. So let's begin. So guys, firstly, I would like to introduce myself. As all of you might have already know, my name is Shimon Joseph and I'm a math master teacher here at Vedantu. I've been teaching for almost 7 years now, mentoring more than 10,000 plus amazing students like all of you. And when I was like you guys, I too prepared for exams like KVPY, JEE Mains, and I cleared all of them. And talking about my background, I did my BTech from IIT Madras and I've been teaching ever since because I was very passionate about this. And now here I am at this channel to help you guys reach your goal. Now, if you want to connect with me and get your doubts cleared, stay in touch with me for a longer period of time, then this is the place to be in. So that is my Instagram ID and you guys can let me know whatever doubts you have through that. Okay? Very good. So let's move ahead. Guys, the most important slide, as I always keep saying, you have to definitely like, share and subscribe to our channel because that would mean a lot to us. This is a new channel and we wanted to reach many students who want to learn in English. As you all are aware by now that this is an English channel. I talk in English, Wasim sir also teaches in English, and I'm sure Shreyas sir also teaches in English. So if you have friends who cannot understand any other language and who is comfortable with English, then please recommend them this channel so that it will help them as well. Yes, Kiran. Okay, so let's get into the first topic for today, which is tangents and normals. So everybody might be wondering, sir, tangents and normals, it is a topic in the chapter straight lines. So why are you teaching it in application of derivatives? The reason I'm covering it over here is because if you are given any random curve, if you are given any random function f of x, you can still find the slope of tangent. And you know what, guys? You have done that in your physics. In your physics, whenever a graph is given, the slope of the graph will give you the slope of tangent. Don't you guys agree? You have done that, right? When a position time graph is given, you take the slope to get the velocity time graph. Isn't that correct? Yes, when the position time graph is given, you take the slope of it and draw that. That will give you the velocity graph, isn't it? So something similar to that, I want to show you guys the application of derivatives. So if I say, let's say there is a function like this. Okay, this is my function and I will take any random point over here. Let's say I take this random point x1, y1. Now everybody is interested to find out the tangent at this point. What is a tangent? A tangent is a line which touches the curve at only one point. Whenever it touches the curve at one point, it is said to be a tangent. What do I mean by touching? By touching, I mean that they have an equal root over here. They will have a repeated root over here. Are you guys able to follow? So when you solve this line and this curve, you will get a repeated root over here. That is what I mean by touching. Whereas if you have a curve like this and if you intersect it like this will have only one root in common, but that will be a single root. It will not be a repeated root. So that is the difference between intersecting. That is the difference between intersecting and touching. I hope you guys are all clear with that. Very, very important. Many people don't realize this difference. So now that you guys have got it, what is meant by intersecting and what is meant by touching, let's try to get the equation of tangent. So first of all, equation of tangent, I know it is equation of straight line. And how do we find out equation of straight line? It is nothing but y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Because I know the straight line passes through x1, y1. So I just need to find out the slope of the straight line. After that, I'm done. So how do I figure out the slope of the straight line? That is the $1 million question. How do we find out the slope? That is where your derivatives come into picture. So that is why we are studying it in this chapter. That is why we are studying it in this chapter. Because your m is nothing but the derivative of the curve at the point x1, y1. So that is how you find out the derivative, and that is how you get the slope of the tangent. So this is the most important point, guys. Please remember that your slope of tangent is always equal to derivative of the function at that particular point what you are looking at. So here I am looking at point P, which is x1, y1. So I will find out dy by dx at x1, y1, plug it inside, and that will give me the equation of tangent. Are you all clear with it now? Everybody? Did you guys understand it now? Any questions you have? Everybody? Hi Archana, welcome, long time. Hi Asmi, welcome. Sugdha, brilliant. Maruti Neta, superb. Now, as soon as you know tangent, it is very easy to get the normal equation also. Because what is normal? Normal is a line which is perpendicular to your tangent. Normal is a line which is perpendicular to your tangent. And if I want to find out the normal at x1, y1, how do I do that? How do I do that? Yes, Kiran, we will look at many questions, don't worry. Right now, I want you guys to tell me, how do I find out the equation of normal? So if I want to find out equation of normal, we all know that normal is also a straight line. Normal is also a straight line. So how do I find the equation of straight line? It is nothing but y minus y1 is equal to slope of normal into x minus x1, because the normal is also passing through this point, x1, y1. So how do I find out mn? Because if I find mn, my job is done. So mn is nothing but what? Minus 1 by slope of tangent into x minus x1. So if I know slope of tangent, I can get the equation of normal also. And just now I told you how to find the slope of tangent. So use that, get the equation of both your tangent and your normal. Did you guys get it? So that is why we are studying this in this topic, application of derivative. because your slope of tangent and slope of normal are obtained by using what you learnt in differentiation. Got it? Everybody? Are you all clear with it, people? So shall we move ahead? And we will look at questions, don't worry, because I know questions applying this concept will make it much more clear and much more interesting. So let us proceed to the next slide, which is over here. Hi Prajwal, welcome man. Very good afternoon, welcome. So this is the explanation what I just gave right now. So equation of tangent at the point x1 comma y1 I have given you there, and equation of normal also I have given you over here. So that is how you figure it out. Please make sure that you guys follow this procedure. Hi Matthew, hi Maruti Neta, welcome guys. Awesome. So shall we apply it in a question? Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? But before that, let's look at the fine points. So whenever tangent is a horizontal line, do you guys agree the slope is 0? Whenever tangent is a horizontal line, do you guys agree that the slope is 0? Yes, absolutely. Because if you take this circle, x square plus y square equal to 9 is nothing but a circle. I'm sure everybody understands that. X square plus y square equal to 9 is a circle. And let's say I want to figure out the slope of tangent at the point 0, 3. So I know that the tangent at 0, 3 should be a horizontal line like that. And if it is a horizontal line, then the slope is 0. And if I look at the tangent at x equal to 3, that is 3, 0, then the tangent will be vertical. When the tangent is vertical, the slope of tangent is undefined. That is, it tends to infinity. How do you prove it? Let's differentiate that. You will get 2x plus 2y dy by dx is equal to 0. So what is your slope of tangent? That is nothing but dy by dx, and that is equal to minus x by y. So the slope of tangent is nothing but minus x by y. So if I calculate at 0, 3, it is going to be minus of 0 by 3, which is equal to 0. But if I calculate at 3, 0, at 3, 0, what will it be? It will be equal to minus 3 by 0, which tends to undefined values, isn't it? It tends to minus infinity, and that is why we say that it is a vertical line. Because whenever you have a vertical line, the slope tends to infinity. Are you guys clear with it? Everybody? Yup. Are you all clear with it? Done? Yes, exactly. So Devil Ninja Kiran Kumar. So Kiran Kumar has changed his name to a ninja. That is a sign of a true ninja. Some ninjas are epic that I don't even see them in sessions. They have practiced invisibility to a good extent, I think. Okay. So guys, with that we will move forward to a question. So are you all ready, my ninjas? The Chunins, Jonins and Jenins. Yesterday you noted Shreyas Sir's jacket. Exactly guys, all of us got our jackets now. So, but you cannot use this jacket because this has Shimon written on it. So you'll have to get your own name printed. Don't worry, we will conduct some good mentee quizzes and we will come up with good plans so that you guys also can get merchandise. Okay? But right now, try to do the next question. Okay? Moving on. Let's go ahead. So guys, if you are interested in the JEE mains that is coming up in February, if you want to do well, then do check out the crash course offered by Vedantu. Many of you have been asking questions to me whether it is accessible after your JEE mains, whether you will be given recorded sessions of live classes in case you miss it. Guys, all that is possible. Vedantu has gone to the next level in technology because we provide you the recorded sessions of each and every class, even if you miss it. Okay, all the classes are live, but if you miss it, you will be provided the recording in your dashboard, that is in your account at Vedantu. and it will be accessible until you write your JEE mains. So don't worry about it. The best part according to me is a test series. You have 10 full tests and 10 part tests. That is unbeatable, guys, because like I said, in Vedantu, the reason why we produce toppers, like last year we produced All India rank 38, this year we had All India rank 43. We were able to do that because of the brilliant test series of Vedantu. Unless you take tests, you will never improve your rank to a good extent. Okay, so tests are very important, and you get 120 sessions, 120 classes with the best teachers of India, and that is possible over here. And guys, when I say online platform, do not think about Zoom or Google Meet, because the Vedantu's platform is just a class apart. If you want to experience it, you have to attend one of the free master classes. You will know what I mean. Okay, so shall we move ahead? Very good, very good. So let's go ahead. This is the price right now. Right now there is a very good offer going on. We have 7,500 rupees only. It was previously 8,000, guys, and this offer is only till this weekend, only till tomorrow. Okay, so if you want to get it, do it right now, and the coupon code is SJCC. So that is for the crash course. You have to apply SJCC. If you want to apply it for the pro subscription, then that is given in the chat. Okay, so let's continue. This is the question for you. Please do it. Okay, everybody please do it. Matthew, Shreyas sir is taking a separate session on that, so please do attend that. He will clear all your doubts. Asmi is like, give me your Vedantu jacket. We will. Don't worry, Asmi. You guys will be given opportunities. Very good, Ryan. Definitely it will be of use, man. Okay, guys, please try to solve this. The equation of tangent to the curve y is equal to x plus 4 by x square that is parallel to the x-axis is. Can you guys please let me know what is the answer? Darshan, the micro course which I am taking is on differential equation, which will be starting on December 4th, I guess. Okay, it will be starting mostly on December 3rd or 4th, and that will be on differential equations. Okay, so I'll be taking it for almost 4 weeks. Everybody is saying B. Okay, is it B? Renu Shri is saying A, Matthew is saying A, and the others are saying B. What about the rest? Guys, come on, I want answers. I want everybody, all my ninjas to participate. Archana says A, Sonu says C. Okay, great. So shall we discuss it, guys? Yup, are you all ready? Srivani says B. Okay, so let's check it. Uncharted says C. Okay, great. So guys, what is given over here? The equation that is parallel to x-axis. So when I say parallel to x-axis, do you agree the slope of tangent is 0? Yeah. So what is slope of tangent? That is dy by dx is 0. So if I say dy by dx is 0, that means 1 minus 8 by x cube is equal to 0. So can I say x cube is equal to 8? So can I say x is equal to 2? So if x is equal to 2, then what is the equation of tangent? Equation of tangent, I have to get my y coordinate. Y coordinate is 2 plus 4 by 2 square, which is equal to 3. So what is the equation of tangent? Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So the slope of tangent is 0, that is why I put 0 here. So the answer is y equal to 3, and I think nobody answered that. Nobody. Why, guys? Come on. What happened? Srinidhi is right. Yes. Hi Surya, welcome man. So nice to see you here. Kamalnath, welcome. So did you all understand the way I did it? Did you guys like it? Very simple. So this is how you get questions. So if you look at it, this was an IEEE question. So IEEE is nothing but your JEE mains. So before 2013, it was called as AIEEE, which is All India Engineering Entrance Exam. Okay, so that got changed to JEE Mains. Got it? Hi Kamalnath, welcome man, so nice to see you here. So guys, let's move forward to the next question. But before that, a concept relating to angle between two curves. So do you all know the angle between two lines? Everybody knows that? Everybody knows that angle between two lines. So if you have two lines, let's say y equal to m1x plus c1 and y equal to m2x plus c2. What is the angle between them? The angle between them is given by this formula. Don't you all agree with me on this? Don't you all agree with me on this? Everybody knows this. Isn't that correct? Now please understand, angle between curves, right now you might be thinking, sir, how can we define angle between curves? Curves are going to be not like straight lines. They'll be zigzag, right? So how can we define angle between two curves? So I will explain it. Listen for a minute. Okay, Bhumina Darshan. Try to revise it because that is needed over here. So in the chapter straight lines, you will study this. Okay. Now let's have a look at what I mean by angle between two curves. So when I have two curves, let's say like this, and let's say another curve, we'll have like this. So when I say angle between two curves, what I'm meaning is, I will take the point of intersection, and at that point, I will draw the tangent to the curve 1, and I will draw the tangent to the curve 2. Now do you get two lines? So this is L1, which is a tangent of function 1, and this is L2, which is nothing but the tangent of the function 2. Now angle between two curves is nothing but the angle between these two tangents. So that angle is given by this formula. Okay. What is M1? M1 is the slope of tangent 1 and M2 is the slope of tangent 2. How do you get that? You first figure out the point of intersection and then find out the slope of tangent with respect to curve 1, that will be slope 1, and find the slope with respect to curve 2, that will be slope 2. Got it? Are you all clear? Yes? Rama, the syllabus will be completed before your February so that you will be ready for your exam, and you will get study material, Matthew, in the form of PDF. You will be given soft copies online as part of the crash course. Yes, Shivani, you will get course materials also. You will be couriered the Vedantu's Tattva material. I told you that usually toppers use that. Those topper materials will be sent to your house when you give your address. Okay, so you will get all these materials apart from the classes. You get classes, you get assignments, you get test series, you get your performance report, and you get the materials couriered to your house. On top of it, you have the best online platform. Okay? Perfect. How many classes will be conducted? You have classes every day. You'll have every day 2 sessions. So 6 days, 2 sessions, 12 sessions in overall. And on Sunday, you will have an exam most of the time. You will have an exam on Sunday. So guys, are you all clear with this? So shall I move forward? Did you all note down the important point below? So two curves are said to be orthogonal if the product of the slope of tangents at the intersection point is -1. Okay? If the product of slopes at the point of intersection is -1. So that is a very important point. Orthogonality is also important. You guys should know that. If they give you in the question two curves are orthogonal, that means these two tangents will be perpendicular. If theta is 90, then it is said to be orthogonal. That's it. Clear, Uncharted? So Uncharted, what that means is, at the point of intersection, you are drawing two tangents now. If these two tangents are perpendicular, then the curve is said to be orthogonal. That's it. All the best, Archana. I hope you will do well. Great. Tomorrow there is a big test happening in Vedantu, the VMSAT, Vedantu Master Scholarship Admission Test. If you guys want scholarship, maybe you should write that. Okay? So here we go. Please do it, guys. Please try to solve this question. The angle between the curves y equal to x square and y square minus x equal to 0 at the point 1, 1. You see that 1, 1 is the point of intersection. Did you all notice that? Because 1, 1 satisfies both the equations. Do you guys agree with me on that? 1, 1 satisfies both the equation. So it is nothing but the intersection point. So when I say angle between the curves, it is always found out at the point of intersection. Got it? So now at the point of intersection, you will have two tangents. So find out the slope of two tangents and then find out the angle between those two tangents. That is your answer. Sukda Baruna says pi by 4. Okay. What about others? What about Shrivani? What about Shreya? Archana? Yes, Jinsen, this is there for your 12th board as well. Because application of derivatives, as you know, it is one of the biggest chapter in your CBSE. So you need to be prepared for it. Shreya says B. Very good, Shreya. That's correct. Guys, the answer is B. It is not D. Sukda, please check it. The answer is B for bomb. That is what Ninja Kiran Kumar says. Okay, great. Hi Achyut, welcome man. So nice to have you here. Yes, you guys are all absolutely right. Yes, yes. Shrivani is right. Shrivani is right. I'm sorry. Sukda Baruna, you have to check it. Because Sukda said D, I think. Okay. So let me help you out with that, Sukda. Let's try to see how to solve this question. So first of all, we know that the common point is 1, 1. Okay. So how do we find the angle between the two curves? First of all, I need to get the slope of tangent for both the curves at this point. So slope of tangent at 1, 1 for the first curve, how do I do it? I differentiate it. So dy by dx is equal to nothing but 2x. So 2x, x is 1, na? X is 1. So that will be equal to 2. So that is the slope of tangent for the first curve. Now slope of tangent for the second curve, how do I do it? I have to figure it out at 1, 1. And that is equal to what? That is equal to, how do I get the slope? I have to differentiate it, na? So that is what this chapter teaches us about. So 2y dy by dx minus 1 is equal to 0. So what is my dy by dx? That is equal to 1 by 2y. 1 by 2y, that means it is 1 by 2. Are you all clear? Because y is 1. So 1 by 2y will be 1 by 2. So slope is 2 and 1 by 2. So what is the angle between the two curves? Angle between the two curves is tan inverse of m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2, which is equal to tan inverse of 3 by 2. I hope you guys are all clear with it. Everybody done? Everybody clear with it? Very good. Hi Jinsen, good to have you here, man. Welcome. 3 by 2 or 3 by 4? 3 by 4. Yes, yes, yes. You guys are right. Because when you take LCM, you'll get 2 into 2 minus 1, which is 3 by 2. And you also have a by 2. So it will be having a by 2 there. So that is why you get tan inverse of 3 by 4. Got it? It is 3 by 4. It is 3 by 4. Uncharted, I hope you got it. Everybody clear with this? So shall we proceed, guys? Everybody? No doubts? Okay, okay, perfect. Very good, guys. Very good. Good, Jinsen. That's absolutely right. If you guys have any doubts, feel free to ask. Okay. Okay, okay, Archana. No problem. So what we do is, Archana, please understand one thing. Whenever you have a function, the derivative dy by dx will give you the slope of tangent at every point. And that is what you do in physics also. If you think about it carefully now, whenever you want to find out velocity from your position time graph, what do? You differentiate. Whenever you want to find acceleration from your velocity time graph, what do? You differentiate. So you differentiate because the derivative will give you the slope of the graph. So that is exactly what I do. To find out the slope of tangent, I differentiate. To find out the slope of tangent, I differentiate. But where do I want the slope of tangent? I want it at 1, 1. I want it pakka at 1, 1. So I differentiate and substitute 1, 1. I get the slope. And then you guys can go ahead solving it. Okay? Don't worry. Since you guys are in 11th standard, it might be too early for you. But if you get the concept behind, I'm happy with it. Okay. Kiran has gone full ninja. Great, man. Okay, the next topic is shortest distance between two curves. So guys, this is also a very good application of AOD, and every time questions do keep coming up from this particular subtopic. So how do you find out the shortest distance between two curves? You can find out shortest distance between two lines if they are parallel. We have studied that. Everybody knows that. But what to do if the lines are not lines anymore, rather they become curves? So then how do you do it? There is a very elegant way of doing it. So let me explain it to you. Listen carefully. Okay. So let us say you have a circle and you have a hyperbola, something like that. Now they're asking you find the shortest distance between this circle and this hyperbola. I'm just giving you an example. Okay. So hyperbola is a curve, circle is a curve. So I want you guys to find out we have to find out what is the shortest distance between this circle and this hyperbola. What is the way to do it? Any idea? Yes, Shreya, that's correct. So guys, very good, very good. Very good, Aishwarya, very good, Uncharted. What we do is, we try to find the common normal. So every normal to this circle will pass through the center, which is origin. So the shortest distance is always through the common normal. The shortest distance is always through the common normal. When I say common normal, it has to be a normal to the circle as well as to the hyperbola. So when I say common normal, that means the tangent at this point should be equal to the slope of tangent at this point. So these two tangents should have the same slope. So the way we find out the shortest distance is, we equate the slopes of this curve as well as this curve. That will give us the points over here and here, and from there we can get the answer. Okay? So please understand, whenever we talk about shortest distance between two curves, it is always along the common normal. When I say common normal, it is going to be normal to the first curve and normal to the second curve. Got it? Now, since this is the common normal, if I draw tangent over here at the point of intersection and tangent over here at the point of intersection, don't you think these two tangents should have the same slope? Because this is the common normal, so these two tangents should have the same slope. So what I will do is, I will differentiate the first curve, I will differentiate the second curve, and I will get the slope of tangent from here, I will get the slope of tangent from here, and I will equate them. So that will give you the point of intersection. From there you can figure out what is the distance. Okay? Exactly, Jinsen, you are right. Exactly, Bhumina Darshan, they are parallel. These two tangents will be parallel. So what you will do is, you will get one of the points and you will get a tangent. So how do you find the distance between a point and a line, we know that already from straight lines. So use that and then you're done. Use that and then you guys are done. Perfect. So let's try to apply what I just taught you, because I think it might be a bit difficult to visualize this. So I have brought in some JEE mains questions of previous years. So as you guys can see, this was asked in the year 2009 JEE mains, which is called as AIEEE in those times. So please figure out the shortest distance between the line and the curve. So you have one line and you have a curve. So I want you guys to find out the shortest distance between them. Please do it, all of you. Okay, Shirvani says C, that is a quick answer. Let's check it. What about others, guys? Are you all solving it? Everybody. Banu Prakash also says C. Okay. Matthew says D. Okay. Is that all? Everybody done? So shall I discuss it, guys? Yup. Okay. So let's see what is the right answer. First of all, what did I tell you to do? Yes, Bhumina Darshan. We will do it together. First, what did I tell you to do? You have to make sure the slope of tangent for these two curves are equal. So what is the slope of tangent for the first curve? For the first curve, slope of tangent is 1. The slope of tangent is always 1. And for the second curve, what is the slope of tangent? So the slope of tangent is equal to 1 by 2y. The slope of tangent is equal to 1 by 2y. So now I told you for shortest distance, these two should be equal. Both the tangents must be parallel. Everybody clear? Very simple application. What I taught you, I'm just using it directly over here. Nothing else. Nothing great happening over here. Are you all clear with it? So 1 is equal to 1 by 2y. So what is y? Y is equal to 1 by 2. That's it. I got my y. I got my y. So once I get my y, I know what is my x also. I know what is my x. So I got y from the second equation, right? So from here, I will get what is my x. My x is y square. So it is 1 by 2 square. So x is equal to 1 by 4. So I got the point on this line, which is 1 by 4 comma 1 by 2. Now I have to find the shortest distance between this and that. So that is nothing but a straight line. So I can directly use the straight line formula. So distance of 1 by 4 comma 1 by 2 from that straight line, y minus x equal to 1. What is that? It is going to be half minus 1 by 4 minus 1 divided by root 2. Isn't that correct? Yup. Are you guys fine with that? So what will this be? Any idea? So that will be half minus 1 by 4 is minus 1 by 4. So minus 1 by 4 minus 1. X equal to 3 by 2. How come? Why will x be 3 by 2, guys? Because we got 1 by 2 from this equation, right? The slope of this has to be equal to 1. Okay? So that is how I got it. So can you guys complete it? What will you get from here? You will get minus 5 by 4 root 2. Is that correct? Is that correct? Are you guys clear with this? Everybody? Can you guys please go through it? Yup. Guys, so it should be 5 by 4 root 2. That is the answer. If you have done anything else, it is not going to be right. It should be 5 by 4 root 2. Is it 3 by 4 root 2? No guys, it should be 5 by 4. Okay, it is 3 by 4 root 2. I'm sorry. It is plus. So this will be plus 1 by 4. I'm sorry. Okay, that's correct. So that will be equal to 3 root 2 by 8. So option A is correct, yeah. Option A is only correct, guys. It is not option D or B or C. And guys, it's 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4, okay? So I wrote it as minus 1 by 4. It should be plus 1 by 4. Hi Niaz. Yes, welcome man. Matthew, modulus is there, Matthew. Modulus will take care of it. Don't worry about it. Everybody got it? Yes, Shreya. I am from Chennai. So let's move forward, guys. The correct answer is option A. So let us proceed to the next one, which is rate measure. Okay, so what do we mean by rate measure? Can you guys let me know what do you think it is? When I say rate measure, you guys have been using it for a long time. So for example, your velocity is rate of change of what? Displacement, right? And then you have acceleration, which is rate of change of your velocity. So you have been studying rate from a very young age. So that is what I'm going to redo again. So what do we have here? Rate measure. So we are trying to find out how one quantity changes with respect to another. So when I say dy by dx, what do I actually mean by that? So dy by dx means I am trying to track how my y changes with respect to my x. Got it? And if I say dr by dt, I am trying to find out how my radius changes with respect to time. When I say dv by dt, I am trying to check how my volume changes with respect to time. When I say dA by dr, I am trying to figure out how my area changes with respect to radius. If I say dV by dr, I am trying to check how my volume changes with respect to radius. Are you guys able to understand that? So that is what is meant by rate measure. Got it? Now we will try to use that in questions and see its application. Please try to solve this question, guys. This is a very important one. This is a very important question. I want everybody to get this correct. Let's see if you guys can do it. Please go for it. So you have a spherical iron ball and it is coated with a layer of ice of uniform thickness, and it is melting at the rate of 50 centimeter cube per minute. So what is 50 centimeter cube per minute? That unit over there, cube per minute, that gives you an idea. Centimeter cube means volume, minute means time. So it is going to be dV by dt. Very good, Vedant. Vedant is absolutely right. So first of all, you guys need to understand that 50 is equal to dV by dt. And what dV by dt is 50? 50 is equal to minus dV by dt. Why? Because it is melting. If it is melting, volume is reducing. Volume is reducing. So the answer, guys, you are all absolutely right. Srinidhi, Ryan, we have Sonu, Iron Maria, Shreya is also right. Very good. Okay. Perfect. So now, what is V? V for a sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Everybody knows that. That is the volume of a sphere. So what is dV by dt? dV by dt is nothing but 4 by 3 pi into 3 r square dr by dt. Isn't that correct, guys? Are you all able to follow that? So that is my dV by dt. So minus 50 is equal to 4 pi r square dr by dt. And don't you guys agree? dr by dt will give me the rate at which thickness of ice reduces. You might be telling me, sir, R is not thickness, sir. R is radius. So radius includes this centimeter 10 plus thickness. So this centimeter 10, is it of no use? This is a constant. So when I say dr by dt, this is not going to change. What is changing? Thickness is changing. So dr by dt is definitely going to give me how my thickness changes. Did you understand that? So these are all good points, guys. I hope you're paying attention to them. Okay. So what is radius? Radius is nothing but 10 plus t, right? 10 plus some thickness. So what is dr? dr by dt is equal to 10 is a constant. So 0 plus d thickness by d time. Okay, this t is time. Got it? So dr by dt is nothing but the rate of change of thickness. Now when do we want to find that? We want to find that when the thickness is 5. When the thickness is 5, will I put r equal to 5? That is foolish. Now that is a dumb move. You should not do that. Okay? Because r is not 5. R is 10 plus 5. So if you made that mistake, everything goes downhill. So r is what? R is going to be 10 plus 5, which is 15. So 15 square is 225. And then we have dr by dt. Okay? Are you guys clear? So now you can get the answer, man. After that, it's pretty simple. I think it's option B. Now people will be like, sir, negative sign is coming, sir. You will get dr by dt to be negative. Yes, it's correct. But they asked decreases at what rate? They asked decreases at what rate? So minus is anyway gone. For example, acceleration is minus 2. If I ask you what is the deceleration, will you tell minus 2? No, you will say 2. Got it? So something like that. It takes care of the sign. Did you understand what I said? For example, if acceleration is minus 2 and if I ask you what is the deceleration, you should say the deceleration is 2. You will not say that the deceleration is minus 2. Something like that. dr by dt is minus of 1 by 18 pi, but they asked at what rate the thickness decreases. So I will tell without the sign. Understood? Perfect, guys. Awesome. Hi guys. Ankit, welcome, man. Great. So the answer is option B. I hope you guys are all clear with it now. Hi Siva. Welcome, man. So please try to solve this question, guys. Let me see if you guys can crack this. This is an NCERT type question. You should be able to do it. Let me know if you guys have any doubts, but now try it. Okay, Shrivani is lightning fast. Shrivani is absolutely right. Very good, Shrivani. That's absolutely correct. What about others? Sonu says C. Vedant says C. Sinister Alok says C. Come on, guys, the other ninjas. What are you doing? Ankit, very good, Ankit. That's absolutely right. Ryan is also right. Banu, check it, Banu. It is option C, which is correct. Maruti Neta is also right. Venkatesh, please check it, Venkatesh. Okay. It is going to be option C, Venkatesh. So what is option C? Let's try to have a look at it. How do we get it? So first of all, volume of a cube is nothing but a cube. Okay, so what do we have? We have, okay, it's given to be x, right? So let's take x cube. Now the side is going to increase by 2%. So side is going to increase. That means dx is equal to 0.02x. Do you all agree? Because the side increases by 2%, can I say dx is equal to 0.02x? Yep. The change in x is equal to 2% of x. Now, what is the change in volume? The change in volume dV is equal to 3x square into dx. So that will be equal to 3x square into 0.02x, which will be equal to 0.0, that will be 0.06 x cube. So this is your volume. The change in volume is 0.06 x cube. So how much is the increase? It is 6%, because 6 by 100 is there, right? So it is 6%. Got it? Awesome. Hi Jashwant, I'm glad you like it, man. Awesome. Very good, Shivani, that's great. That is exactly what we want. We want you guys to be rock stars when you enter 12th standard. So with that, let us move forward, guys. Let us try to have a look at one more concept, that is your mean value theorems. Okay. So let's look at the mean value theorem. So there are two important mean value theorems that you will study. It is called as the Rolle's theorem and your Lagrange's mean value theorem. So what does your Rolle's theorem say? So first of all, before we get into this, I want you guys to understand the conditions for applying Rolle's theorem. Okay, let's try to have a look at it. When can you apply Rolle's theorem? Just like you have conditions for everything. For example, if you use your AMGM inequality, then you need to use the fact that all the numbers must be positive. Similarly, if you want to use your Rolle's theorem, there are certain conditions that have to be met. And what are those conditions? Those conditions are, first, your function should be continuous in the closed interval a to b, and it has to be differentiable, and your f of a and f of b should be equal. So if these three conditions are met, then your Rolle's theorem is applicable. So what does your Rolle's theorem say? Let's try to have a look at it. So let's say you have your x-axis and y-axis, and let's say you have a function like this. Okay, so now I have your a over here and I have your b over here. So do you guys agree that f of a and f of b are equal? Do you guys agree that f of a and f of b are equal? Everybody clear with that? And do you guys agree it is going to be a smooth function? That means it is differentiable and continuous. So when you have such a curve, pakka between a and b, at one point your graph will become parallel to your x-axis. That is what Rolle's theorem says. If your graph is satisfying these three conditions, then pakka at one point at least, your graph will become parallel to x-axis. That means the slope of your graph f dash of x will be 0 at least at one point. C between a and b. That is what your Rolle's theorem says. Now think about it, guys. Think about it. You have f of a, f of b. Now you have to draw a graph from a to b in such a way that it is continuous and differentiable. So however I plot it, don't you think there will be at least one point where my slope of tangent is 0? You try whatever possibility you can. If the condition f of a is equal to f of b, that means this is f of a, this is f of b. Both are equal, and between a to b it is continuous and differentiable. Continuous means I cannot lift my hand. Differentiable means it has to be smooth. So if I draw a curve like that, pakka there will be one point where my slope of tangent is 0. Let me try something else. Let me try like this. So here there are more than one point. So there also it is satisfied. You can try whatever possibility you have. You still will be having one point at least where your derivative is 0 between a and b. Did you guys understand that? Yeah? What are discrete, Jashwant? Your a and b are different points. Yeah, they are different points, but the value, functional value is the same. That condition is required in Rolle's theorem. Got it? So this is your Rolle's theorem. The next one which I want to teach you is called as the Lagrange's mean value theorem. So that is a more general form. So what does Lagrange's mean value theorem say? Lagrange's mean value theorem says that if your function is continuous and differentiable, then there will be at least one point in a comma b such that f dash of c is equal to f of b minus f of a by b minus a. Now this is a more generalized version. Don't worry, I will make you guys visualize it. It is possible to visualize this also. What about one shots? Uncharted, we will plan it out, man. There is a lot of things going on. So we will bring it up slowly because there are KVPY plans, then there are strategy plans, then there are one shot plans. So we need to do all of it. Don't worry, we will cover it. Okay. Banu Prakash, maxima, minima, we will do it tomorrow. I think we won't have time for that. So let's discuss mean value theorem first. So guys, let's try to discuss this. Now here f of a and f of b need not be the same. So let us say a is here, b is here. So this is my a and this is my b. Now it is continuous and differentiable. Okay. Now don't you guys agree this is f of a? And don't you guys agree this is f of b? So what is this quantity? Can I say that if I draw a straight line, the slope of this straight line is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1? So don't you think this is nothing but the slope of the straight line connecting these 2 points? Yes? Are you guys able to follow that? Now, if I draw any graph from A to B in such a way that it is continuous and differentiable, like this, or like this, or like this, don't you think pakka there will be one point where the slope of this is equal to slope of this line? Got it? Very similar to what we did earlier, no? But here it is oblique. So this is a more generalized form. So that's it. The slope of this, that is f dash of c, should be equal to the slope of this, which is f of b minus f of a by b minus a, for at least one point c in between a and b. So this is in between a and b, right? That's it. Got it? Amazing, no? Are you guys able to visualize it? So this much is more than sufficient. We will try to have a look at a question. Please do it, and this will be the last question for the day. Quickly complete it, guys, all of you. Give me a tip to wake up early. Jaswant, sleep early. That's it. As simple as that. You sleep early, you wake up early, and when you sleep, don't try to use your phone, because there have been a lot of research articles which say that if you read in screen, like the blue light, right, that is not good for your eyes. So because of that, you can't get sleep. Because when I was in college, I used to do that. Whenever I work on projects, I used to look at computer screen a lot, and I used to find it very hard to sleep at night. So I would suggest you avoid screens at night, and automatically you will sleep early. Okay? But don't avoid books. Okay, we have answers from Sugdha Baruna. Sugdha, is that correct? Are you sure? Because I guess Banu is right. Check it. I think Banu is right. It should be option A, I think. So let's check it, how to do this question. First of all, your A is 1, your B is 3. So what does your Lagrange's mean value theorem say? F dash of C is equal to f of 3 minus f of 1 by 3 minus 1. So that is equal to ln 3 minus ln 1 by 2. So what is f dash of C? It is 1 by C. That is equal to ln 3 by 2. So it is 2 by ln 3, which is equal to C. So 2 by ln 3 I can write as 2 L log of e to the base 3. Because ln 3 is what? ln 3 is log 3 to the base e. So I can reciprocate it and write it as 1 by log e to the base 3. So that is what gives me option A. Got it? Yeah, Siva, there are glasses which avoid blue light. So you can check it out in Lenskart. You can check it out by going to an optical store nearby your house. Tips to score 99% in 11th grade. 11th grade CBSE you mean? So do you get scores? So when I was in 11th, I didn't get scores for my 11th standard. So if you want to score 99%, study hard, do NCRT in and out. That's it. You have to be completely thorough with your NCRT and that will be useful. Okay, if you are in CBSE. So that's it, guys. With that, we will conclude. I have a few more slides, but I'll discuss it tomorrow. The maxima, minima and all. So if you guys are interested, please check out the crash course. Like I said, it is available for a price of 7,500. Guys, this price will not stay for long. And I have told you in Diwali also, we had a very good offer going on. And after that, many of you wanted to join. But similarly, on Sunday, this deal will end. So make use of it when it lasts. Okay. This is the coupon code SJCC, Shimon Joseph Crash Course. And you are going to have a batch starting from every Monday. So tomorrow Sunday, Monday a batch starts. So if you want to be a part of it, I would say go for it. Because guys, it is going to be 2 months. So exactly Monday is November 30th. So you have December fully, January fully. So please go for it. Check it out. Okay. So with that, we will conclude our session. This is the Telegram group. If you guys are interested, definitely check it out. We will update you about all the courses, all the plans we have for you over here. Okay. And do give the video a like, share it to all your friends and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Okay. Trigonometry, you can probably study from Cengage only. Cengage is pretty good. Okay. Okay guys, take care. All the very best. Do well in life. Stay happy, stay blessed. And definitely share, subscribe and give it a like. Please do that. Please let your friends know. Okay. Bye-bye guys. See you.